Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best swing set accessories available in the market right now, the Jungle Gym Kingdom swing sets for backyard. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor playground setup, this is definitely one to consider. Stick around as we explore its features, installation process, and why it's loved by so many families. Let's start with an overview. The Jungle Gym Kingdom swing set comes with an 18-inch trapeze swing bar and a 48-inch heavy-duty chain, complete with locking carabiners. It's designed for safety and durability, making it a favorite among parents and kids alike. What sets this apart are its features. It's incredibly easy to set up, no complicated assembly required. You get everything you need right out of the box: the swing bar, the chains, and the sturdy carabiners. This means less time setting up and more time enjoying playtime outdoors. From a kid's perspective, this swing set is all about fun and fitness. It encourages active play and helps build strength and coordination. Plus, swinging on a trapeze bar like this adds an element of adventure and excitement to any backyard playground. Quality matters when it comes to outdoor play equipment. The Jungle Gym Kingdom swing set is built to last, with a powder-coated finish and alloy steel frame. This ensures it can withstand the elements and years of active use without rusting or weakening. Now, let's talk installation. As I mentioned earlier, it's a breeze to set up. The swing bar comes fully assembled, so all you have to do is attach it to your existing playset or a sturdy tree branch using the included carabiners. It's designed for compatibility with most standard swing set configurations. In conclusion, the Jungle Gym Kingdom swing sets for backyard is indeed one of the best swing set accessories out there. Whether you're upgrading an existing playset or starting fresh, this product delivers on quality, safety, and most importantly, fun. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for your family, check out the link in the description below. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy swinging!